Okay, I just come in from work. This is a cold start. I just slapped the battery in it. Fired right up. It ain't been started in a month or so. No ticks, no knocks, no rattles. Just like I said it was. It's a good little engine. Take you for a walk around. Aluminum wheels. It's dirty, but it was that way when I got it. Stereo's still in it. 163,000 miles on it. That door don't open, maybe locked. So you've got both tail lights, they're good. I pulled one brake drum off of it. Had that tire laying here. There it is. There's the fourth wheel. Anyway, it is what it is. If you can use it, let me know.